Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Amanda Gates and today we're going to be talking about floor plan readings. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I've been doing some floor plan readings here on the show and we've been getting flooded with emails. And so what I really wanted to talk about today is just dialing it back a bit and explaining what floor plan readings are. I've actually done this promotion every year, but I think that they're starting to really gain in popularity. And so we're getting a lot more questions about what this is. It's a combination of intuition and also Feng Shui. So I think when people see the word Feng Shui combined with it, they're getting confused because they're like, wait, this isn't the Feng Shui that I know of, or this isn't what I thought Feng Shui was. So it's a combination of the skill set of understanding and knowing the flow of qi and how qi works, which is Feng Shui, and understanding energy in a space, which is Feng Shui. But it also has this great combination of intuition. And also, I have some mediumistic skills as well. So I basically combine those two things, and that's how I have come up with floor plan readings. What I do is I look at somebody's floor plan and I can see what's going on in their life. I can see the types of things that they're experiencing and things that might be showing up. And I can see where they may be having or experiencing some roadblocks. So this can be really important because, as I say on this show all the time, if you're consistently looking to those external things to find help in your life and to get over the humps of life, you know, maybe you can't get the job promotion, maybe you're struggling to get pregnant, maybe you feel like money is coming in and going right back out, and you can't put your finger on why this keeps happening. So you look to those external things, you sign up for workshops, you start working with a trainer to get fit, or you start reading all these self-help books, and you do all these external things to fix this one pinpointed thing that keeps happening, and lo and behold, it's in your floor plan. So that's where the energy aspect comes from. I always really look at this as a kinked hose. If you've ever tried to wash your car or, maintain a garden, we've all worked with that hose that's kinked, right? The water just dribbles out and it's really frustrating. And when you go over and unkink the hose, that water just comes out beautifully. Look at that as energy. If your home is operating like a kinked hose, that means the energy isn't functioning properly. That means that you're going to experience not getting that job promotion. You're going to experience kinks in your finances. Maybe your relationships aren't going well, or perhaps you're not getting pregnant. Whatever the thing is, if the energy is kinked, so is the circumstance in your life. So by understanding the energy that's in your floor plan and what's showing up, we can then, pinpoint what's going on and why. So we can eliminate all those external things and say, it's right here in your plan. If we just do these things to get that energy right, then we're going to get your life right. It's basically going to help you optimize everything. It's all the goods in life, right? So that's what a floor plan reading is. It's basically taking those two combined skills and getting kind of those ahas as to why things are showing up. So today I'm going to do a floor plan reading. So Peggy sent in her floor plan and wanted to know some of the things that are showing up for her. So one of the first things that I always look at are the top 5 disruptors. This is my proprietary system. Everybody always says to me, well, I'm not intuitive. I don't see things. I don't know things. We actually do all have that skill set, but we don't practice it. We don't honor it. And so it kind of gets shut down. So the top 5 disruptors are a proprietary system that I've put together to help you get started in energy and energy work and Feng Shui work, so that you can start experimenting with the beauty of energy and Feng Shui and experience it for yourself. So the first one that I always look at from those top 5 disruptors is the front door. And so Peggy, your front door, we've got conflict showing up there. And I'm also hearing that your career's not going well, that you've got some blocks that are showing up there. Maybe you're working really, really hard and you feel like you're getting nowhere. Maybe you're kind of like a hamster on a wheel and you just feel like you're spinning your wheels. So the front door, there's some things that are compromised there. The best thing that you can do there, maybe paint your front door. I don't know what the color is. I don't know what your HOAs are, but that would be something that you could definitely start with. And maybe hang either a mirror in the entryway there or a kick-ass piece of art. Something that lights your ass up. When you see it, you're like, oh my God, I love this. Because when you have that sense of energy, when you have that feeling, when you see something like that, your chi is going to light up. And then what happens is you deposit that chi. It's like pixie dust that you release in that area. So every time you walk into that area, you're going to catch that chi. That's a great hashtag, right? Catch the chi. I would imagine that you've got some strain on finances. It's probably correlated or tied in with your career, feeling like you're working hard for little reward. You've got another top 5 disruptor, which is the shape of your home, and you've got a massive drain, or a strain is a better word, in money. So things are weighted down, things are hanging off. It could be that you're responsible for other people, or you feel like you're having to take care of a lot of things that keep coming in unexpected. There's just a lot of weight there, which would pose maybe some headaches around money, or things that pop up that are frustrating or not effortless around it. So I would imagine that you're experiencing that, and just feel like you're going through a lot. And I would also have a question about health. When we're looking at those top 5 disruptors, we really want to take a look at where your bathrooms are located, not only the shape of the home, which I discussed in the front door, but also we want to take a look at commanding position. I would have questions about your office. If you're out of command, that's going to fire up your adrenals. Your fight or flight is going to be triggered. And so if we put the overall picture together of career is probably not going well, there's definitely some strain or some efforting going on in finances, and you're out of command. And we've got a bathroom, which is going to put a drain on your chi in an area where, we want to be able to access the wisdom that we have, and that's compromised. So I can imagine that you're probably experiencing several of these things. The overall shape is not something that's easy to fix. That's something that you can maybe look at the overall property line and work with that. The bathrooms are easy. That's something where you can stick a mirror on those doors. And definitely I would say a kick-ass piece of art in your entryway. And that should start really, shifting that energy. And always pay attention to your front door. Your front door is key to sprinkling that pixie dust on every single area in your life. All right, everyone. I hope that this gives you a better explanation of what a floor plan reading is and how it's so important to pay attention to our environments and why our environments matter. We have to pay attention to that chi. We have to pay attention to how those walls and that energy affect us. The whole reason that I do what I do, I'm an interior designer, advanced Feng Shui practitioner, and now I'm in real estate, is to help people find, live, and experience energetically valuable homes. If you're going out in your day and you're having an amazing day and you come home to a home that's kind of wonky and the energy isn't supporting you, you're going to feel frustrated, agitated, disappointed, and all kinds of below the cross emotions. That's going to plummet your vibe. We have to look at our environment first. It's where we spend a lot of our time, in the kitchen, the bedroom, our living rooms. So it's really important to get that energy right and to start at home first before you invest in all that other stuff. All right, everyone, if you'd like more information, be sure to head on over to my website at gatesinteriordesign.com. Also, check out my podcast, which is on iTunes and Stitcher at Home Energy Design. And hey, don't forget, trust the vibe, because the energy never lies.